Today, we are going to explore together an advanced feature in SSH known as local port forwarding. Brace yourselves. This is going to be a heck of a ride. Let's clarify the mystery of what local port forwarding is. It's a powerful technique that allows us to tunnel network connections through our SSH link. This enables us to securely connect to services like a web server, for example, on our SSH server from our local machine. Take note that we can access those services even if they are not publicly accessible. Let's see how the magic happens in a visual demo. Imagine we have a web application running on the SSH server, but it's only accessible locally to that SSH server on port 8000. All right, let me use my browser to see if I can load the home page from my Kali host. Nope, not really. The web server is not responding to my request. Now, I will use the SSH tunnel to communicate with this web server. So, I will use the following command. SSH tag L for local port forwarding. After that, I will enter the Kali local port 8000 that I want to listen in, followed by localhost, then the remote port of the web server on the SSH host. And of course, we need the username and IP address for the remote SSH machine as well. Now it's time for the truth. Let's open the browser and head to the web page again. But instead of entering the remote host IP address, I will use my local host this time. And here you go, folks. The page is loaded with success.